Hey guys, it's Jess, and I'm so excited to share a different kind of video with you today. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a new app which is called Color My Life. This is an organization app for craft supplies. So there are a lot of different apps and programs out there right now for organizing all kinds of things, data of all sorts, but this one is actually made specifically with crafters in mind, and specifically paper crafters. So all of us that love to stamp and make cards and all of that, we are kind of the main target audience for this Color My Life app, and I'm really excited to get to show you what it's all about. So this is available on the App Store right now, and there is a subscription fee for it. I think it's a really super reasonable price. You pay it per month. You can stop at any time if you don't like it or you feel like maybe you're not using it as much as you thought you would, but I think that you will use it. I think it's a really great way to get organized, and you guys know that I'm always talking about finding new ways to organize my supplies, so this was a huge win for me. You can see behind me I've got a whole lot of random stuff, a lot of different craft supplies, and it's really nice to be able to keep track of those things when you go shopping so you don't end up with duplicates. I hear a lot of people saying that they're buying duplicates of different stamp sets or ink colors and things like that because they just don't know what they have. This is the solution. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you some screen footage of how to use the app and what it's all about. Just a warning, it is going to be portrait mode or portrait layout. It's not landscape, so there are going to be black bars on the side, so I just want to warn you about that, but that's just the nature of recording via my phone, so apologies in advance for that part. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so once you have downloaded the app from the App Store, you're going to go ahead and launch it. Obviously, you want to go ahead and open it up. You can see here that I've already added quite a few items to my collection. There's all sorts of things from embellishments to stencils, ink pads to paper pads, stamps, everything you could think of pretty much. In order to add a new item, you're going to go ahead and create a new item. You can either search for the name of the item or you can scan the barcode. First, what I'm going to show you is how to search for a product. So this is actually a feature that was added after the fact, which I think is absolutely amazing. So they have a database of products. So just in case you don't have the packaging anymore or you're not inputting something when it's brand new, you can still find it here in the database of products. So let's say I want to add these Spectrum Noir markers because I do own them, but I don't have the packaging anymore. I just search for Spectrum Noir or alcohol markers. Please ignore my notifications. And then all these Spectrum Noir goodies pop right up, and I can pick the ones that I have and then go ahead and just add them to my inventory. It's so easy. So when you find the item you like or you want, you can just go ahead and tap on it. It will open the item, show you the picture. It will give you all of these attributes that you can assign to it, and you can even create your own sets or groupings if you have a way that you would like to keep them organized, and I think that's really neat. The other option is you can add items to your wish list. So instead of adding it to your inventory, you just go down to the bottom and then click add to wish list instead of add new item, and it will put it right in. Now this one I do have, so I just went ahead and added it as a new item, but you can also input tags as well. So for these sparkle pens, I'm putting in like glitter pen, glitter, sparkle pen, anything I might use when I go to search for it, so that it's easy for me to find it no matter which thing I pop into the search field. I think that's really super cool to have that ability as well. So that's something that I will definitely be relying on. And again, I just really like that you can use this search feature and you don't have to have the packaging for everything. Okay, so now that we've taken a look at what it is to add an item after searching, let's take a look at how you would add an item that isn't found in the library. So some products are not in this database, and that's okay. There's still a ton being added all the time. That database is constantly being updated, but you can actually go in and scan a barcode of packaging that you already have to upload an item. Now this one, my lighting was really bad, iPad, and so there was a little bit of a glare and it was having a hard time getting the barcode, but usually it goes right away. So you can see there it said barcode not found. So what I'm going to do is actually just input my own item information. So this is a Heffy Doodle stamp, and it looks like Heffy Doodle isn't part of the database yet. So I'm going to go ahead and add it myself. Now, since I scanned the barcode, it automatically puts in the UPC code, or the product identifier, down there at the bottom. So that's already updated for me. I can go ahead and put in the name of the stamp set, which is Dino Time. I can go ahead and put in the tags that I want so that I can find this easily. So I'm putting in like Heffy Doodle, all kinds of stuff like dinosaur. What I like to do for stamp sets as well is actually go ahead and type out the name or the sentiments themselves, so that if I ever want to search for something, like maybe I need get well or thinking of you or puns or anything like that, it will be really easy for me to find all of the sets that I have that include those things. So that's a really good tip for keeping your stuff extremely organized. So you can see here it's like birthday, all kinds of stuff like that. So you can get really detailed here, or you can be totally not detailed. You just use it however works best for you. But I find that this is going to be really super handy for me. Sometimes I do forget which stamp sets have which sentiments, and when you get to have quite a few sets of stamps, it can be hard to remember which ones will work for which situation, or which one might have a birthday sentiment versus I don't even know, thinking of you or get well soon or whatever. Anyhow, so you can go ahead and add the manufacturer. And then it can go ahead and take a picture of your stamp set. Now, you can hold it up like this and just go ahead and take a picture. That totally works. And I did that just so you'd have that here. Then you can see that it automatically puts in my picture up at the top. Now, I am pretty particular and I want all of my stuff to look the same. So I actually go to the internet, the lovely place of the internet, and search for the stamp set. So I just put in Heffy Doodle Dino Time, and I sort by images. When I pull up the images, I'm able to save that to my phone. So I just find the image of the stamp set that I want, click Save Image, and then it automatically puts that onto my phone. Now, you can go ahead and upload these to the app and then delete it from your phone. You don't have to save it on your phone, which I think is really great, because you don't have to worry about having a bunch of random product photos on your phone forever. So just long enough to go ahead and put it into the app, and then there it is. Now I can go ahead and delete my original photo, and there I've got the nice, crisp, clean image from the internet. And that would be like this thing was added into the database already. You see how I've got all those nice pictures there. Now my Heffy Doodle set looks just like all of the rest, which I think is really super cool. Now, there are a lot of opportunities for personalization in this app, so you can definitely change things up and have it work whatever works best for you. But I'd really like to know what you guys think about this. Be sure to drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this, if this is something that you're going to try out or you might want to try in the future, or if you have any suggestions that could improve it. I know that the developers are always looking for feedback and ways to improve, so I think that's really, really cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check back frequently for more videos. I'll see you guys in another video really soon.